Problem number 25, a pentagonal pyramid 30 mm side with a side of base perpendicular to VP. Draw the development of lateral surface as shown in the figure. One of its edge which is perpendicular to VP is this edge. It is resting on VP, on HP, but one of its side of the base is perpendicular to VP is nothing but this edge is perpendicular to VP, right? And this complete, it is given in the problem. The cut section is there. This cut section is given. This cut section you have to construct. This is at 30 mm, height is 60. At 30 mm you have to draw horizontal line till axis, and then you have to take 60 degree from the axis till this, and you have to make this part dark, right? Next, in this axis, on axis there is a point, because we are considering axis, not all the problem, only such problem where it cuts on axis we are considering the axis. I will construct that. See here, one side is 30 mm, one side is 30 mm, O1, and we'll write here this point is A is visible, B is not visible, B dash, here O1 dash, C is visible, C dash, E dash, and then D dash. We'll give arrow marks. Given problem I have already constructed, and this point is called as O dash. This cut section is given, this is also given, this complete part is given. Our work is to number and then we have to develop. Now for numbering we are considering procedure. I will explain you. OA, AB, OB, BC, OC, CD, OD, DC, DE, OE, then EA. This is the procedure we have to follow when it cuts on base. Now there is no cut on base, because of that we are not considering AB, BC, CD, DE and EA. We are not considering these bases. Only I am considering OA, OB, OC, OD and OE, because it only cuts on OA, OB, OC, OD and OE. There is no cut on the base. Because of that I am not considering AB, BC, CD, DE and EA. Now we'll give the number. First we have to start with OA. OA is the point where I will give 1. OA is 1. And then OB also comes here, comma 2 point. Directly we are getting 1 and 2 at same point. Next, there is a cut on axis. From axis there is an angle of 60 degree, right? This is given in the problem. So because of that, only in this such problems we are considering axis. Now we'll draw that axis, extend, right? This part where it cuts, this part, this point is called as 3. This is called as 3, right? Only this on the axis, that is nothing but O3 I have taken instead of axis, right? That is the third point. Next, or you can give it as OF, that is third point on this. This is second, this is third. Next we'll go for OC. This is OC. There is a cut, right? This cut is called as fourth point, right? Next go for OD is there, so that is fifth point. Next go for OE is here, sixth point, and then come back to this point. We'll give it as G, and this point is called as OE is sixth, OD is fifth. This G's point is called as seventh point. So this is how you have to number. Once again I will explain. Follow OA. OA is 1. OB is also here 2. Next go for axis only in this problem, because it cuts from the axis on the axis. Not in all the problem we are cutting on the axis. only this problem, this type of problem, right? 3 here, then we will go for OC 4, OD 5, OE 6, once again back to this point. Here it cuts, so that is called as 7th point. Now we'll develop this. So wherever corner is there, we'll get directly true length. If it rests exactly corner, resting exactly on corner, directly true length obtained, right? Because of OD resting on corner, so OD is become true length. This is the true length, no need of any construction, right? OD is the true length. Now we'll draw arc. We'll take distance D to O, right? D to O I have taken, and I'll mark somewhere, right? I will mark here, and then the distance which I have taken O to D, by keeping at this point, we'll draw arc, right? I have drawn arc, and this point I'll call it as O. This is the true length I have taken. Whatever the true length, don't think about that. That will be of 65.2. It will come 65. I have taken the same length, right? Now take distance of 30 millimeter. Take distance 30 mm from your divider. 30 millimeter you have to take, right? 30 mm I have taken. Before that, just join somewhere on the axis from O, on this arc from O, just wherever you can join it, right? Now from that point I will take 30 millimeter side. One side I am taking, right? One side 30 mm. Now by keeping at this point, I will cut this arc by taking 30 millimeter. Make it 5 part. One, two, three, four. One more part. 5. Then last part will be joined with this O with thin lines. Join all the points to O. Right, all the points have been joined. Now join these points. Right, I'm making dark only. Of course, base is completely in development. Now we'll name this. This point is called as A, B, C, D, E, back to A. Right. And one more. So the distance will take G and F are there in between. From B it is F distance. From B I will take F distance, and also from E I will take, or you can take from A. From A I have taken here. This point is called as F point, Z point. Now these 2 points also I will join. I joined with axis line because I want to show you on which line it cuts, that's all. Because these axis lines are G and F, because of that I have taken as dash. Now we'll start the cutting. All the number will be transferred. All these number will be transferred to the true length. Already 1, 2, 3 and 7 are this distance. 1, 2, 3, 7 from this point. All these are transferred to the true length, and still some 6, 4 will be transferred. Take the parallel line. Right, 6 and 4 will be so this point 6, 4. So all these are transferred to the true length, and distance will be taken on true length only. First we'll take distance C on OA distance. 1 and 2 are there on OA and OB. So first we'll take the distance from base I am taking. So this is the distance you have to take, right, on OA. From base I have taken means from base only you have to cut, and also on B and also on A. So these are the points, nothing but 1, 2 and 1, which are same, and also some 3 and 7 on axis. So 3 will get here and 7. So this is 3, this is 7. So this square will get 3 and 7. Next 3 more points. First we'll take from base I am taking the distances 6 and 4. So 6 and 4 are nothing but C and E. So on E from base I have taken C and E. So this is your 4th point, and this point is 6th point, and one more distance, 5th, I will take from the base once again. Fifth point, so it is on D. So this point is called 5th point. Now we'll join all the points. First from 1 to 7 here. Next 7 to 6, 6 to 5, and 5 to 4, 4 to 3, and then 3 to 2, 2 to 1. Right, all these distance will be transferred, and then we'll dark the below part, which is developed part. Till number D to 5, C to 4, then B B to 2, 1 to A. Where don't make these lines dark because these are the axis points. So this is the development of given cut section.